It's Rhonda. Welcome back to the channel. To all of our new subscribers, hey, how y'all doing? Listen, I don't know what's going on in South Florida. It is so hot. So with that said, I have to create this amazing hydrating mineral packed fruits packed smoothie. You're definitely going to want to try this smoothie. So stay tuned and I'll show you guys how to make it. Who's excited? Raise your hands if you're excited. Hit that subscribe button if you're excited. Leave a comment if you're excited. Let's get to it. Ahead and I wash my hands and wash my papaya. I want to use papaya because it boosts your immunity. It helps with weight loss. It helps with kidney, and if you're diabetic, this is a great fruit for you. It helps with better cardiovascular health. Also, if you have problems with your eyes, papaya is one of those things that will help you improve your eyesight. Great on antioxidants. So it has this nice bright orange color. Now I'm just going to cut this much. Take the seeds out. I've never had this with the seeds. I don't think you want to eat it with the seeds. Scrape the seed out, peel the papaya, and just get this nice orange flesh. That's what we're working with. All right, the next ingredient that we're going to be working with is watermelon. I love watermelon because it is one of my hydrating fruit. It improves your heart health. It helps to reduce inflammation, soreness after working out, low in calories. I am using sea moss, anti-inflammatory, anti-aging, antibacterial, antiviral. It contains 92 of the 102 minerals your body needs, and ginger, of course. Antioxidants, we love ginger and makes everything taste good. I'm using cilantro, vitamin C, potassium, vitamin K, magnesium. Can't go wrong with cilantro, and it tastes really great. Honeydew melon, so sweet, guys. Oh my gosh. Vitamin C, B6, protein, fiber. Gotta use it. Elderberry, perfect for your immune system. It will help fight off any kind of cold, any kind of inflammation. Great for your heart health. All right. Hydration of all hydration. Coconut water. So I have a local vendor that I will just call whenever I need fresh coconut water, and I can buy it by the half gallon or gallon or 2 gallon, whatever I would like. So I'm adding a lot of coconut water into this smoothie because it is super hot in Florida and I feel like I'm totally dehydrated. So I need to use these fruits that will help me with hydration. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put this on my NutriBullet. You want to go ahead and give it a good go at it. Make sure that everything is like smooth and nice. The sea moss can be grainy if you don't let it puree well. Otherwise, you might have chunks of sea moss. So to avoid that, just make sure that you let it stay an extra couple seconds on the NutriBullet so that everything is nice and smooth. I cannot wait. I am just so thirsty. All right, I'm loving this color. So this is from the sea moss as well as from the papaya. Love that orangey color. All right, let's go ahead and pour this into my mason jar. I got a huge mason jar here. I'm just gonna keep sipping at this until I feel fully hydrated, because this South Florida sun is no joke, y'all. No joke. Whew. So good. You guys have to try this.
Wait a minute. Who are you?